This is going to be a video tutorial on how to view your applied jobs on Monster. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Monster app. To view your applied jobs on Monster, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower left-hand corner, down to your little jobs icon. You want to tap on that. You want to make sure you're on that one. Then in the upper right-hand corner, the little heart icon, you want to tap on the little heart icon. That takes you to your My Jobs page. And on your My Jobs page, as you can see, you got saved. Down below that, you got a View All button. You can view all of your saved jobs. Down below that, you got In Progress. You can scroll down further. And right in this area, Applied. This is your applied jobs. At the bottom, you have a View All button. You could tap on the View All button to view all of your applied jobs. That is how to find your applied jobs on the Monster app using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.